Welcome! In this video, we will explore how to differentiate power series. We will focus on the straightforward method of term-by-term differentiation, which simplifies the process down to a familiar rule. The core formula we'll be learning is that the derivative of the sum of c sub n times x to the power of n is equal to the sum of n times c sub n times x to the power of n minus 1. First, let's quickly review what a power series is. Think of it as a polynomial that just keeps going. It's an infinite sum of terms, where each term consists of a coefficient, c sub n, multiplied by a variable, x, raised to a power, and the series starts with a constant term, c sub 0, then a term with x, c sub 1 times x, then a term with x squared, c sub 2 times x squared, and so on, continuing indefinitely. The main principle we'll use is incredibly powerful yet simple. To find the derivative of the entire infinite series, we don't have to do anything complex. We can simply take the derivative of each individual term, one at a time, and then sum up the results. The derivative of the sum is the sum of the derivatives. The tool that makes this all possible is the power rule for differentiation. You probably remember it from earlier in your calculus journey. It states that the derivative of x raised to the power of n is found by bringing the exponent n down as a multiplier, and then subtracting 1 from the original exponent. So, the derivative of x to the n becomes n times x to the power of n minus 1. Now let's apply this to a single term from our power series, c sub n times x to the n first. Since c sub n is just a constant coefficient, we can pull it out in front of the derivative. We are left with c sub n times the derivative of x to the n next. We apply the power rule to the x to the n part. This gives us n times x to the power of n minus 1. Putting it all together, the derivative of our term is n times c sub n times x to the power of n minus 1. Let's see how this works on the expanded series. We start with our series, c sub 0 plus c sub 1 times x plus c sub 2 times x squared, and so on. We apply the derivative to each term individually. The derivative of the constant c sub 0 is just 0. The derivative of c sub 1 times x is c sub 1. The derivative of c sub 2 times x squared is 2 times c sub 2 times x. The derivative of c sub 3 times x cubed is 3 times c sub 3 times x squared, and this pattern continues. When we assemble our results back into the compact sigma notation, we get our final formula. The derivative with respect to x of the sum of c sub n times x to the n equals the sum of n times c sub n times x to the power of n minus 1. It is important to note that the new series now begins its index at n equals 1. This is because the original n equals 0 term was a constant, and its derivative became 0, effectively disappearing from the sum. Let's look at a famous example, the power series for the exponential function, e to the x. This series is the sum of x to the n divided by n factorial. When we differentiate this term by term, we get the sum of n times x to the power of n minus 1, all divided by n factorial. After simplifying each term, we find that the resulting series is exactly the same as the one we started with. This confirms the well-known fact that the derivative of e to the x is itself e to the x. There's a crucial theoretical point that makes this technique so reliable. The radius of convergence of a power series remains unchanged after you differentiate it. This means that the set of x values for which the series converges is the same for both the original series and its derivative. You don't have to worry about the derivative converging on a smaller or different interval. To summarize, there are 4 key points to remember. First, you can differentiate power series term by term. Second, this process relies on the simple power rule for derivatives. Third, the general formula for the derivative of a power series is the sum of n times c sub n times x to the power of n minus 1. And finally, the radius of convergence is the same for both the original series and its derivative.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codlucky.com for more such useful content.